In smaller retail environments, counter space is important and checkout speed is everything. You need a scanner that does more without getting in the way, keeping your lines short and customers happy. The Zebra DS9308 is designed to excel where it matters. What makes it unique? First, its compact design saves valuable space while performing a variety of functions, such as capturing and parsing ID data. Next, it delivers rapid, reliable scanning. With an 800 MHz microprocessor and PRZM Intelligent Imaging, it reads damaged or faded barcodes with ease. With a large field of view and speeds up to 50% faster than competitors, your team can scan items instantly. Finally, the DS9308 is built to last. It easily withstands 5-foot drops to concrete and 1,000 consecutive tumbles, while its IP52 sealing protects it from everyday dust and spills at the checkout. Only from Zebra.